have is the Ussera Deep Shot, soothing and moisturizing to reduce any sort of puffiness you have in your face. Hello everyone, how are you guys all doing? My name is Veronica and welcome to my channel where I like to share vlogs, lifestyle content, and occasional bag reviews. If you like these types of content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and join the family. Today, I am very excited to be unboxing the Medicube facial at-home devices. I ordered a set of 4, which includes the Booster H, the ATS Air Shot, Ussera, and the EMS. The set also included free gifts that I can use together with the devices. I will be going through each one and talk about what it is and how to use it. These facial devices are currently very popular in Asia and in North America, especially after seeing Hailey Bieber using it in her daily skincare routine. It has just gone viral. So let's begin. I'll start off with the Booster H, and this one is the one I'm most excited to try, and it's also Medicube's top 1 selling device. What it does, it helps with skincare absorption by creating electro passageway that allows the skincare product you're using to penetrate deeper into your skin by 490% versus using a cotton pad or your hands. By doing so, it accelerates product absorption, meaning faster results will be delivered. I have read a lot of reviews online and people have noticed their skin looking brighter and glossier. It is recommended to use this device with their vitamin C ampule. However, if you already have a serum, cream, or essence, you can just use those as well. They do recommend you to not use any product that has a sticky texture, as that will be a little hard to move around. All of their packaging comes in a red and white magnetic box. When you open it up, there will be a user manual with precautions and instructions, the Booster H device, and a Type-C USB charging cable. There is a power button in the front and a charger at the back. To turn it on, press and hold on to the button for 2 seconds. Same goes if you want to switch it off. For your first use, you will have to charge the device first before using, and once it is fully charged, there will be a green light indication. A side note is that you cannot use this device while charging. There are 5 different levels, and they do recommend you to start off with 1. To change or to raise the level, all you need to do is just press the power button once. Level 2. The booster can be used 1 to 3 times a day, and when it reaches low battery, there will be a voice alarm indication and the device will automatically switch off. To use the booster, place the serum either on your face or directly on the probe. There are 3 different methods. The first is watering, where you move the device in a circular motion. The second method is boosting, where you slide the device upward. And the third method is focus, where you press onto the skin 1 spot at a time, and you can do it over a sheet mask. It can also be used around the eye area, but not on the Adam's apple. Up next is the ATS Air Shot, which looks very similar to the booster, except it has a round probe head. And what this does, it reduces pore sizes, refines skin texture, and exfoliate dead skin cells by using high voltage electricity to irradiate the skin, thus creating passageways that will not damage the skin. And according to Medicube, product absorption will increase by 432% compared to using your hands. With only a power button, simply press and hold for 2 to 3 seconds to switch it on and press to raise the level. Unlike the booster, the ATS should only be used 2 to 3 times per week, 5 minutes each time. Now to use it, make sure the face is washed and completely dried. Stay 1.2 inches away from the skin surface. Here I'll demonstrate 3 different ways: tapping, sweeping, and brushing. Right now I am using the tapping technique. Remember not to press against the skin as it should only be used in a gentle motion. Side note, there will be a burning smell from the skin fuzz, and that's completely normal. Also, do not use it near the eyes, Adam's apple, and philtrum. Now I'm using in a sweeping motion. And last but not least, in a brushing technique. Next up I have is the Ussera Deep Shot. This device helps to enhance collagen stimulation and reduce wrinkles within the aging skin by emitting radio frequency and ultrasound. The high frequency will damage the collagen, initiate wound healing responses that leads to new collagen production. If you have smile lines or saggy skin, the Ussera will help improve skin elasticity and smooth out the fine lines. Now let's take a look at the device. The shot button on top, 5 different levels to adjust in the center, and the power button below. It also comes with a charging cradle and a Type-C charger at the back. To use the Ussera, gel serum must be applied in order to conduct heat and deliver energy. Place the gel onto the probe head and spread it around the face. Once you have done that, start with level 1 and press the shot button. It is recommended to use 80 shots per day, which takes around 6 minutes and 3 times a week. Apply shot in different skin spots. One thing to be mindful of is not to duplicate shot at the same spot. The last device I have is the Derma EMS, and this does have a bit of weight to it compared to all the other devices, which are fairly light. And what this does, it improves facial contour features and skin elasticity by using microcurrents to stimulate the inner muscle, helping them contract and relax. And by massaging and stimulating the inner muscle, it strengthens them, which ultimately improves the skin elasticity and also reduces sagging skin. The EMS device have 2 roller heads, a power button, a mode button featuring 3 modes, slim, up, and body, with 4 different levels to adjust. Simply press and hold the mode button to change the mode, and if you want to raise the level, press the mode button once. The slim mode is used to reduce any sort of puffiness you have in your face. The up mode is used to tighten saggy skin, while the body mode is to boost skin elasticity all over your body. To use the EMS, gel must be applied on the roller head in order to feel the energy. And this can be used every day, but for no more than 10 minutes. Now let's take a look at how to use it. Make sure the face is dry, apply gel on the roller heads, start with level 1 and massage the roller heads against the skin in an upward direction. For the EMS, try to avoid the eyes, Adam's apple, armpit, and chest area. To clean all these devices, you will need a dry cloth or alcohol wipes. Do not use any water as it will damage and ruin the probe. Since I ordered the set in Hong Kong, it did come with a bunch of free gifts, and one of them is this white color cradle, and it is for the Derma EMS. I also got 2 booster gels, one in this white color and the other in pink, which has collagen in it. A couple of masks, this one's in red color and it's for soothing and moisturizing. This clear one is for cooling and moisturizing as well. 3 pieces of zero pore pads and 2 pieces of the keratin pads for exfoliation. They also included the Camu brightening serum that I can use with the booster. So lots of goodies to try out with the devices. I hope you guys found this video informative, especially for those who are thinking of purchasing. All of these devices have different functions. It really depends on what you're looking for and what are your skin concerns. I wouldn't say these at-home devices are a must-buy, but more for maintenance. Let me know your thoughts, and if you already have these devices, feel free to share your review as well. Again, if you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to press the like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll speak to you guys all soon. Bye!